Oh yeah, over there. Mmm. Well.
Wow, it drives really nice. It's amazing.
Can you believe this car is 10 years old? It feels like brand new. 10 years old, and it looks and feels like brand spanking new.
It's got great AC.
It's got satellite radio.
Okay. Yeah.
That's on satellite right there.
Yeah. Oh my god.
And then you got heated seats.
Oh my gosh.
You got electric seats.
Yeah.
You can memorize your seat position.
It's down, like, it's not blaring out.
Do it in the evening when it's cooled off.
Wow.
It's got nice trunk space.
Yeah.
Freaking awesome is what it is.
That part's straight? No.
Yeah, whatever.
It's fine though. Like,
Whatever.
It's like not bad. Wow.
We found it yesterday after looking at a Mustang that was a hot mess.
Oh, okay. I love it more than a Mustang.
The hot mess Mustang was the same price as this.
Yeah, they were the same price.
Oh, it was just like I got in it and I was like, I mean, it looked really cool on the outside, but we got in it and we were like, I don't even want to be in this car. This is the channel lineup. You have XM for three months.
Yeah, it gives you a free trial. It gives you a free trial service.
Okay.
Then we can add it to my account if we want to.
Wow.
And the gas tank is on this side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the filler cap is over here, and it requires the expensive fuel. It requires the $5 freaking fuel. This is where the top goes.
Oh,
It folds into that, but when you're not using it, you can move that out of the way and have more trunk space if you wanted it.
Oh, nice.
The garage.
I don't know. We need to read the manual.
Yeah, anyway, yeah, here it is. To program the garage.
Let's pop the hood. It's a 3-liter, 6-cylinder engine. No turbo, but it's 6 cylinders. They actually have about the same horsepower, roughly around 230. This one. It came from Sarasota, Florida, originally, then Tampa, Florida. So it's mostly been a Florida car. Leaves.
It's super fast.